Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Nissan Altima with a key. First, ensure your vehicle is in park or neutral for safety. Then, insert your key fully into the ignition cylinder. Turn the key clockwise to the on position, which illuminates your dashboard lights. Finally, continue turning the key to the start position and hold it for a moment until the engine fully engages. Release the key, and it will spring back to the on position, ready for your drive. Sometimes your Altima might not start immediately. If the steering wheel is locked, gently jiggle it while turning the key to release the mechanism. A weak battery is a common culprit. Listen for slow cranking or dim lights. Always confirm you are using the correct key and that it is fully inserted. If you hear rapid clicking, it often indicates a low battery or a starter issue, requiring further inspection. Proper key maintenance can prevent future starting issues. Keep your key clean and avoid exposing it to water or extreme heat, which can damage internal components. When inserting the key, use gentle pressure. Forcing it can damage the ignition cylinder. It's also a good practice to store a spare key in a secure, easily accessible place, ensuring you always have a backup if your primary key is lost or damaged. Once your Altima is running, remember to prioritize safety. Always fasten your seatbelt and ensure all passengers are buckled up. Take a moment to check your dashboard for any warning lights that might indicate an issue. Never leave children or pets alone in the car, especially in extreme weather. Familiarize yourself with your Altima's specific features and controls by consulting your owner's manual for a comprehensive understanding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.